Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm doing, well, it is rainy season outside and there's a lot of things I cannot do, but I have to go to the warehouse and gotta go hunting. I gotta go shopping. Let's say I gotta get this right here from another Civic, and it's gonna be a bitch to take out because the car I need it is sealed. I gotta get a seat, and I'm gonna get the ignition from another Civic, from another side that we had over there, the back of it. So maybe that's my issue with the pump. With that said, getting a new seat on it, everything. We'll take a look how the other dashboard is. That's going to be a park car. We talked to Tony about it, but he should subscribe. After I get back and I'm working on that side, I had a horrible video earlier the other day, but I already got this working, that's working, the high beam is working, so now I got to do that side, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And then after that, today too, I'm going to go here and check the tail lights. That I need the tail lights so the light up. And if I have time, I'll do the brakes on the bleeder in the car. But the main thing I gotta go over there is basically get the seats out, bring it over, get ignition, get that right there, because my goal for the day, if this can close, I want to put the bumper back together and leave it alone because it's sitting there for a while. I just want to put the bumper back on, and then maybe next time I'm off, I want to do the oil pump. As you can see, it's not no oil pumping towards the engine, and that's bad. There's no pumping oil to here, but I see an oil here, but I don't see oil on the filter. I did change the filter to a S2000 filter to get more oil in there. So that's what I'm dealing with. So I want to get ready. I want to go that way, and then get all this shit going. Hopefully I can get the car running, starting, turning off, and all the issues are gone. Replacing that switch. Besides that, guys, remember my Toyota Distro? Well, it's no longer with me. It's gone. I have a new toy, and the new toy is a 2015 Civic Si from Canada. Nice car. Traded it to many cars. Runs good, drives good, looks really good. I got a new front bumper for it, but it doesn't need it really. Well, if you're in the Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Naples, Bonita area, it's for sale. You let me know. For sale. Hit me up in the comments below. Besides that, I'll take all faithful right here. My new trailer, by the way, looks amazing. Thank you for my neighbor. That was a whole long story. Yes, 2000. As soon as I sell that, I can take it back to the body shop to fix all the little dents that I got. I got more plans going for this big boy. I did lower, thanks to my boy Adrian. We lower a little bit more, front and back. Line it, so car's looking good right now. I did the brakes on the rear on this, they were low. I already did the front ones, so that's 411 on this car. This one is a big show coming up, but I cannot go. I have an upgrade. I want to do something with it, with a bar and a few other things, but not right now. I need to sell that guy before I can put money into the other one. With that said, hit like, subscribe if you're scared. Let me get to it. Hey guys, so we made it to the warehouse. We finally opened that hood. It's boom, an original SI engine on this. This car is too rusted to save, so we are using some of these parts on the blue CRX, the dashboard, the lock mechanism. We're using a couple other things for the car to help them out. So Just gonna put you in fast forward. You're gonna see us taking apart the car. This is what we call Florida weather. What's up, Tony? What's on there? Like a monsoon outside. Got some air coming in here. So we have what we needed. I know it's too loud. Alright guys, let me start it one more time. I'm back. Went to the warehouse, started working on it, and unfortunately I got so getting out of there, I couldn't get what I wanted to. At least I got the part that I needed the most. I'm gonna start cleaning it up right now. I'm gonna put you in fast mode, see everything I'm doing, and now I'm gonna start working on the harness over here. So, with that said, alright guys, moment of truth. Car's locked down. So let's check it out. Beautiful. Now it's working like it's supposed to. Ah! Now I'm gonna take this fender off. I'm gonna take all this off and I'm gonna start working with this. So I can put this fender on the side and I can do the brake, the higher harnesses for the headlights. So I'll put you on a speed move so I can remove all this, you can see me, and then we go from there. Alright guys, as you can see, every light is working. This is this one. I know exactly what this is. I gotta put power to it. So now this is the high beam, short beam. So with that said, this is my high beam, my low beam, my high beam, and this is the bumper. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to cut here, here, and then run it and put it what I want it to be, so I can anyway. So it's missing a bolt right here. So anyway, so I'm gonna stretch it out, and I'm gonna put it here, lock it in place where it's supposed to be here inside. Same with the high beam. Run 2 wires at here and seal everything here. These are fine. This is fine. This is the only ones I have to move here. I did all the harness myself. I'm proud of it. So with that said, not gonna take me long to do this. Stand by. Alright guys, spent a couple hours and put the fender back on the CRX. Everything looks pretty good. I got the lights on. Let me put you over here. You can see a little bit better. So before the hood didn't open, before I opened it, check out the lights. I fixed everything, wired everything. And you got all your corner lights working. Corner lights are working. Your headlights are working. High beams are working. Signal lights are working. You pop the hood. Pop the hood like supposed to. Replacing that little part from the other CRX came out really handy. Even though the other CRX is kind of rusted out. I wish I could take more parts out of it. It's almost not up to. But one of them is the dashboard. It's in mint condition over there. Now guys, I'm gonna put you in fast forward. I'm gonna grab the fender, put it on, put everything back on, make sure the car looks amazing. And then I'm gonna move to the back of the tail lights. Alright guys, everything's now in tight. What I have to do right now, basically put bolts over here, bolts over there, put the bolts here, get the tail lights, put them on, and I want to clean it up for a while. So with that said, took a long time, my friend. Hey guys, well, I just want to say a couple things before I go today. The car is coming out along very well. I did all the lights in the front works. The rear light don't work, the handle harnesses. That's okay, we have plenty of them in the warehouse. This, now it's working. See? Now this is working. Now it's letting me down in front of you guys. But anyway, it's locking up. I don't want to crash it up. It's locking up. Well, the idea that we have right now is basically the red CRX that we have in the shop. I want to take the whole interior out of that CRX and finish this CRX with it. Boom. Finish this baby up. Put everything up. Put the racing, the two seats that get over there for now here, and make this car look amazing. Put headlights on. As soon as I get that done, I can turn it on. Don't forget, that's you gotta do this, you know. This is the oil pump. I haven't done it. I think I'm gonna leave this for last. I want to get the whole car done. I want to get the whole everything done, and then the only thing I have to do is bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch. Yeah, as soon as I got that done right there, that's gonna get my morale a lot better. Because when you have a car that now instead of looking at like that all the time, they're depressed, to look at my CRX looks like, you know, you can expect it, guys. From go from that to it's not done to go to that is done. So from this to that, oh my God, that'll be a thumbs up for me. That'll be a great achievement to have that car almost done. You know, the car looks amazing, color looks amazing. I just clean it up. I gotta clay it. The issue with the starting, I think, is one of the ignition on it. We're gonna try to take care of that for Tony. Because I still got the other CRX and I got the hatch that's gonna come here. And I got the motor, I got everything I got to build for that car here. But guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. I did a lot today. I did this headlight, I did this side, did that side, went to the warehouse, came back, done a lot of things today for this car. But I want to do more. I want to finish the whole interior done, paint it, put it on, put all the cover on it. Oh my God, that's gonna look sexy. But it's not up to me, it's up to the owner. Guys, bless you, thumbs up, thank you. If you watched it, you love the CRX, what's it call it? Thing that I'm doing here. Let's go do it more. Give me more contests. There you go, guys. Bless you guys. Love you. See you later.